Today we're going to be making a little Python script to be able to run emails in. So just make sure you have everything imported I have above. So let's get started. First, we're going to declare our email sender as a variable here, just as email sender. And this is where you're going to put your own email. And it's really important that you have all this information correct on there for it to actually send and go through. Next, we're going to declare our email password so we're able to log in to the email to give it access to be able to send. And then we're going to declare here our email receiver. And make sure you have the email correct again. And this is going to be whoever you want to send it to. We're now going to go into the part of the email and what you want to put within the email. So we're going to put the subject here. I just put hey as the subject, and we're going to create the body as well. And I just make it this is sent from Python. Now we're going to go into what email.sender and what email.message. Your import file is going to do it all for you here. So we're going to do em equals email message, and we're going to use em equals a lot here. So just have this copy and pasted, and we're going to declare our from. And again, this is going to be your own email, which we declared above, which is email sender. And then we're going to have who we are sending this to. So again, just copy and paste from above. And this is who we're sending to, which is the email receiver. All right. Now we're going to declare our subject again through the package email message. And that's just going to be the same format as above, but subject. And now we declare our context and set the context of our body, which will be sent in within the email. So now we are using the SSL package and creating our context again here as default, which is a default email context. And this line right here really establishes kind of a connection within your email that we're going to do here. Use the smtplotlib and also an SSL package here. We're going to establish the Gmail server, and that port number is 465. Make sure you have the number correct or else the email will not send. And again, we're just going to have context equals context. And we're going to use as smtp, if I could type correctly here. And now we're going to have a line for our login to make sure we are able to log in correctly within our email. And this will take your email address, which is the sender, and the sender's password as arguments. And this setup is necessary to just authenticate the sender within the SMTP server before sending the email. So we're going to do email underscore sender, comma, email password. And now we have to write the same thing, but just to send the message and to make sure it goes through. So we're going to do something similar here. And we're going to use the send mail package. And we're just going to do emails underscore sender, comma, email receiver. And then to make sure we are classifying this as a string email, which is within the email context and the body, we're going to do as string. And then we're going to add one more line in here just to make sure our email goes through and to make sure there's no errors within it. And we're going to say email sent. And that's basically all there is to it.